Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare linear versus silent switches. We'll explore the distinct characteristics of each type, helping you understand their feel and sound profiles. Linear switches provide a consistent, smooth press, while silent switches prioritize noise reduction. By the end, you'll have a clearer idea of which switch might be the perfect fit for your typing or gaming needs, considering factors like environment and personal preference. Linear switches are known for their incredibly smooth and consistent keystroke from top to bottom. There's no tactile bump or audible click, making them ideal for rapid key presses, especially in gaming. Think of popular options like Cherry MX Red, which typically actuate with about 45 grams of force. This smooth travel can lead to faster typing speeds and a less fatiguing experience for some users, particularly during long sessions. Silent switches are specifically engineered to minimize noise, making them perfect for shared spaces or late-night use. They achieve this by integrating dampening pads, often made of rubber, within the switch housing. This significantly reduces the sound produced when the key bottoms out and when it returns to its original position. While they offer a quieter experience, they still provide a satisfying feel, with many silent switches having an actuation force around 45 to 60 grams. Ultimately, the better switch depends on your individual needs and preferences. If you're a gamer or prefer a fluid, uninterrupted keystroke for fast typing, linear switches are an excellent choice. However, if you work in a quiet office or share your space, silent switches will be your best friend, significantly reducing noise levels. I highly recommend trying out different switch types if you can, as the feel and sound are incredibly personal. Happy typing!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.